Hey, what's up everybody? Back at the beach. It's Sunday morning. Meeting Jay out here. We went fishing last night, trying to catch some stripers. Didn't get any bites, but saw a lot of little sand crabs. So rigged up a drop shot today. Jellyfish washed up. Yo, where you at? Oh, you're on the left side? Alright, I'm walking that way now. Hey!
Right here is good puri. Too much seaweed. In the morning, bite better.
Yeah.
5 to 9.
Oh yeah?
I only keep the 3.
Wow.
Yeah, the good size.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, the other ones just puri small.
Oh, that's good ones.
Yeah, this is good. Alright, man.
Alright, good luck.
Yeah.
Good, thanks. Says they were biting earlier. Caught some nice ones. Oh, is that Jay? It's like Jay got a crowd here. What's up?
It's like every cast.
Really?
They're like small.
This is the spot where we were walking when there was like a bunch of little sand crabs.
Yes. Small fish.
I'm gonna try to dig some up right now. Oh yeah, they're all right here. Wow, look at all those. Wow, look at all those sand crabs. That's crazy. Yeah, dude.
What the hell? Holy smoke. No wonder the perch are hitting. That is crazy. Dude, no wonder they were just like nipping at my tail. It was pissing me off, man.
I don't see any soft shells. Some softer. Let it sit out there for a bit. Put some bait and weight. Gonna try the Berkeley sandworm. I think I got a bite. Hard to tell with this drop shot though. Might be a small one. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, that's something. Sweet. My perch drought is over. Got a little small one here. Alright, I'm gonna switch it up.
White night, man. Did you get any nibble?
No, not anymore.
Shit, I didn't even get nothing.
Oh, got some sand crabs. Again. Yeah, that's a nice one. Yeah, that's pretty nice.
You can be really close with that. couple more, man. It was fun though, man. Just trying to catch those little fish.
Yeah.
Yeah, they were just pecking at the bait, huh?